Hi Asad, this is Biplabi speaking, and this is my daily checklist video. Today I open my work at 9 a.m. in the morning. I open my mail and checking all my routine works, and then I go to Google Drive and also open my daily VA task management or check all over the schedule assigned work. Today I work on Frontier 031 PO form, so it's done, and please check it on the channel. And then I work on Bradley Colwell. Over there I got near about 500 products. I didn't get any product on Amazon site. I also got 3 products. Actually I got this product, but these 3 products is not matched with the supplier site, and I got 3 products and set it on my channel. Please check it. And there I have a say, actually all products are getting MEP, so please check this site and comments on that. This product is good or not good. Okay, then I go to KG ad. I do that as well as, and today I don't get any mail from tenant. So this is my work schedule today, so please check it all and watch. Thanks for watching my videos. Bye.